tell us what you're doing with that switch. Loudly?
I'm sliding it.
What happens when you slide it?
Turns off.
Okay. So, see what Dion's doing? Who can go back to the toy that Miss Pajak has in her hand and find the slide switch on that toy? And Jan, you may put that down in front of you now. You
Olivia.
Oh, it's 11:36. Can you slide it? Oh.
Now, sit right in front of me and I'm going to hold it up high. And this is what Olivia did. Right here.
Everybody take your hand.
Make that motion.
Now that is a switch that we don't have here. We don't have a slide switch, but on your toys, you find many, many slide switches. Is there anybody who found a switch that was like a toggle switch on your toys?